Hello again, people. Today I wanna replace the originals back. These are the original loudspeakers, drivers, T&M, 400 watts each. They've been reconned by a specialist because there was a little accident with these cabinets, and I may say this fellow, he did a great job. He's a really professional. And in the meantime, I had some spare loudspeakers inside this cabinet. This has been reconned with the original parts, so they should sound the same and have exactly the same properties. For the beginning, I had 4 screws up here. I have to take out all the rest. And we have this mesh out. And I can say, let's call it, just in case, call it, loudspeakers are a joke. But, they did the job for a few small gigs. Well, I was afraid about that. You see, the nuts in there are wasted. Okay, I got one more here. Beautiful. Okay, everything's fine here. Looking like. First I have to check the nuts here, if we have them all in good shape. What about this? Okay, this one is gone. Let me take it out. All right, so we have to remove the screws. One. There we go. Okay, so these are the originals, which evidently are broke, and I will replace them with some new, something like this. You see, they have this jaws, and this will keep the nut in place, secure. You see? So what we have to do now is to get a new screw, get it in here, and we'll fix the nut into position, something like that. You see, this is fine. Another one here. This feels okay. I don't know, we have to check them all. Funny. Something wrong here too. So this should go out. Here I have the replacements. Of course, we don't need any of these parts hanging in or moving all around the cabinet, inside the cabinet. Okay, there's the position. Perfect. Next. Yeah, a chair, it's perfect. What's happening here? What is this about? Okay, this is gone too. Out. Yeah, I'm gonna clean it later with the vacuum. So here we need another blocking nut. Okay, you see, that's the part. I have to look for a good position for the clothes to get into the wood properly. Perfect. Beautiful. Next. Still alive? Really? Let's see. You see, I'm using this one like a buffer because we don't want the screw to get into the wood. This is okay. Next. Let's see what we can do with these wires. No, that's fine. You know why? Because just in case, they are having a kind of an extra resistance. I'm not soldering this because it's better contact like that. Plus and minus. Beautiful, isn't that? Bright new. Do I need washers? Don't think so. I really don't know where the rest of these screws, they should be here somewhere. No, okay. That's not so important. I'll use what I have. Some of these with washers. Nice. Beautiful. I'll come in back for checking the pressure. Beautiful. I think I'm gonna have all, you see, yeah, that's a good idea. I'm gonna replace all the screws with Phillips ones and have them all together. I think we have a problem here. Yeah, that is, I'm trying not to press because we have to keep in place. Yes. Okay, this is out too. Let's see what's happening there. What's happening? It's very easy. I'll try to change the orientation. All the others are steady in place except this guy. Now it's steady. But you know something? I didn't check the loudspeakers. Let's have two pieces of wire, minus and plus. So plus goes to red, minus goes to, oh yeah, beautiful. And it's good also to check that for polarity, because if we reverse the polarity, that will be a problem. Okay, are we in position? Nice. Okay. Let me have the grill back, or the mesh. These guys in the front are keeping also the mesh steady. No resonance. I like that. It's really solid. It keeps the things in place, well protected, and that's it. Loudspeaker number one, it's done. They are really heavy. Oh my. This is a really good loudspeaker. It's an OEM, very good sound, solid cassette frame, aluminum cast. So it's not just a simple piece of plate, And I have to take this guy, red and black, minus. And that's it. Yes, people, this is done also. Let's have the mesh back. Everything is fine. There's a label with the price, it's still there. Oh man. 3 hours or something. Anyway, I'm tired. You see, at least I'm happy that I did the proper job. I have new, let's call it new loudspeakers, new drivers in the cabinets, ready to go for gigs. With these two guys, you know, they are rated like 400 watts each of them in RMS. So that's more than enough for 100 people. A medium hall, you know, a medium party. That's my other loudspeakers for the mediums, you know, the tops, let's call it. Well, I hope you enjoy it. Remember, it's always important to have those nuts in place in case you have to take out the loudspeaker. Then this one should be under there, you know, steady in place to get the nails, the screws off. That's it for today. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel, push like, and I'm waiting your comments, of course. In the meantime, don't forget, have fun. Bye bye.